the action-filled NBC television series Knight Rider. I must say that I'm truly delighted to be here today. Filming a television series is a demanding and challenging job, but getting to meet so many interesting and nice people makes it all worthwhile.
Nice meeting Chris. Nice meeting you, Carmen.
Awesome.
Rather than spending hours of talking to each and every one of you, I've been programmed to give out information about myself of a general nature. Forgive me if I don't answer each of your questions. The lady in portrait, she's quite attractive. Of course, knowing Michael the way I do, Devon, it would strictly be in the line of duty. Yes, line of duty. Well,
What is it?
we'll wait a little longer and see what happens. One more thing. Michael had me check out one of the guests at the resort. I learned his name is Theodore Cooper. He's the head of security at Syndrax Industries. Good work, kid. I'll get on it right away.
They're on air.